Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delightful cotton candy drink. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some fluffy cotton candy, about 2 ounces, a clear, fizzy soda, approximately 12 ounces, and plenty of ice. Selecting your favorite cotton candy flavor is key to personalizing your beverage. Make sure your soda is well chilled. This helps create the perfect fizzy base for our sweet concoction. We're ready to begin this fun and easy process. Now, let's start building our magical drink. Begin by filling a tall, clear glass with about 1 cup of ice cubes. This keeps your drink refreshingly cold. Next, carefully place a generous portion of cotton candy, roughly 2 ounces, directly on top of the ice. This creates a beautiful, colorful cloud. Finally, slowly pour approximately 12 ounces of your chilled clear soda over the cotton candy. Watch closely as the magic unfolds. This is where the real fun begins. As the soda hits the cotton candy, you'll witness a captivating transformation. The fluffy cotton candy will rapidly dissolve, releasing its vibrant colors and sweet essence into the drink. The sugar from the cotton candy naturally sweetens and flavors your beverage, creating a unique taste experience. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the cotton candy is fully incorporated, blending the flavors perfectly. Now that your cotton candy drink is complete, it's time to personalize and enjoy. You can add a little extra cotton candy on the rim or a fun, colorful straw for a festive touch. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of clear sodas or even flavored cotton candies to discover your favorite combinations. This fizzy, sweet treat is best enjoyed immediately, so grab a friend and share the magic. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.